Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. As you know, we do a lot of Dutch oven, and my favorite thing to do it on is this table. I've had this Dutch oven table for about 25 years, and occasionally we need more than one table, but frankly I haven't been able to find another one that's like it. It folds up nicely, it keeps everything off of the ground nice and clean, and I really love it. But there was nothing on the market that I could find that I wanted. So we contacted Mobile Welding Masters and said, could you duplicate this? And they did. I wanted to share that table with you today. So as you can see, this table is basically the same design as the other table. It's got the handle, it's got the folding legs, but the thing that's a little different, we've got some square corners, but the thing that I really like is on the feet, he's capped the feet so that when I bring my table up and I fold it up to put it back in my vehicle, I'm not bringing dirt and rocks and things from the ground. We really love the Dutch oven table. It gets a little bit closer to your work, makes it easier when you're cooking and when you're cleaning up. In fact, when I've got my charcoal chimney and I'm ready to clean, I can just put my bucket underneath and slide the charcoal off into it, so I'm leaving no trace. If you're interested in a Dutch oven table like this, you're welcome to contact Jordan at Mobile Welding Masters. We'll go ahead and put his contact information in the description below. We hope you enjoy that, and we hope that you'll join us again at OSMeTv.